Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mortal Kombat 1 on Android. First, it's important to understand that the console version of Mortal Kombat 1 isn't directly available for Android. However, you have a couple of great options to experience the franchise on your mobile device. We'll explore both the official mobile game and the possibilities of emulation. Your first option is the official Mortal Kombat mobile game, which you can easily download from the Google Play Store. This title is specifically designed for mobile play, featuring intuitive touch controls and a focus on character collection and team building. While it's a different experience than the console version, it provides plenty of action and familiar fighters. Another path is emulation, which lets you run console versions of games on your Android device. This method demands a powerful phone with ample RAM and processing capability. You'll need to acquire a suitable emulator app and a game ROM. Remember, it's crucial to legally own the game you intend to emulate to ensure ethical and lawful use. To set up an emulator, first install a well-regarded app such as Yuzu or Citron from a trusted source. Next, load your Mortal Kombat 1 game ROM into the emulator. For the best experience, I highly recommend connecting a Bluetooth controller. This will significantly improve your control and overall enjoyment, making the gameplay feel much closer to a console experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.